Navigating Korea using Naver Map. In this video, we are going to Coex Mall. Input destination. Select 2. You will see options. Let's select the first one. You will see the price and steps. You will need Tmoney card. Checking our balance via Transit Card Balance app. There are signs. We are going to line 5. Just follow the signs. It's also color-coded. We are now tapping our Tmoney card. You can see detailed stops. Take note Seoul is the next station. Car and door number 6 to 1. For fast transfer, which is also displayed in the side. Our train just arrived. Check for announcement. Inside the train. We are now transferring to Loon 9. Tapping our Tmoney. There are signs everywhere. Tapping out again.
Sumpoy na din Coex sa exit number 7, no?
We are now arriving.
Ito ba sa entrance?
Yay! We have arrived.
Ito ba po yun?
Checking out the aquarium. Finally arrived at the Starfield Library. Thanks for watching. A subscription would be nice.
Picture ka?